Welcome to the incredible world of technology. Today, we are going to discover 10 surprising facts that have changed the way we live. Get ready for a fascinating journey through the history and present of technology. Did you know that the first computer took up an entire room? The ENIAC, one of the world's first computers, was built in 1945. It weighed over 27 tons and occupied a room of 167 square meters. Today, your mobile phone is millions of times more powerful than this giant computer. Wi-Fi was developed by accident while researching how to detect black holes. Actress and inventor Hedy Lamarr and engineer George Antheil created a technology to improve communications during the war, which later led to the Wi-Fi we use today. The first computer mouse was made of wood. Invented in 1964 by Douglas Engelbart, the first mouse had a very rudimentary design compared to today's versions and was made from a small wooden box with two metal wheels. Today, there are more devices connected to the internet than there are people in the world. It is estimated that there are over 30 billion devices connected to the web, while the world population is around 8 billion. This gap will continue to grow with the Internet of Things. Drones can be smaller than a coin. There are miniaturized drones called nano drones that are as small as a coin and can be used for spying missions, exploration, or even rescue operations in tight spaces. 3D printers can print human organs. Bioprinting is an advanced technology that allows the printing of living tissue structures, such as skin or blood vessels. In the future, this technology is expected to print entire organs for transplants. The best-selling mobile phone in history is not a smartphone. The Nokia 1100, released in 2003, sold over 250 million units. This model was famous for its durability and long battery life, features that current phones can't match. Self-driving cars are already learning to drive themselves. Although they are not yet in widespread use, major companies like Tesla and Google have developed cars that operate without human intervention, using cameras, sensors, and advanced artificial intelligence algorithms. Artificial intelligence can already paint, compose music, and write books. Thanks to machine learning, machines can create works of art, compose symphonies, or write novels based on patterns and data from previous human creations. The first hard drives could only store 5 megabytes of data. IBM's first hard drive in 1956 was the size of 2 refrigerators and could store only 5 megabytes, the equivalent of a single MP3 song today. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more interesting content. See you in the next one!